We are going to be visiting Lee from NW2 Off-Road. Just arrived, Adam left already. Got here too late, like supposed to be like a less than 2 hour drive.
Oh,
Took
dude,
me like around
that's a long drive.
3 hours drive.
That's a long drive.
Nipo got me. What do you call this again?
Pop caps.
Pop caps.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. It's easy. Plug it in.
Look at this, install service and everything.
I know, right? Install service. You're supposed to be in San Diego. That's in San Diego.
You have to come in and install this.
You have to go to San Diego.
Thanks for the extra.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
Mr. Lee.
How you doing, sir?
I'm doing good, man.
It's good. It's fine.
Under construction. I think Nipo is going up next to install his belly armor.
So check this out. So it's all gonna be that big.
This steel?
Steel.
Steel?
Yeah.
Hey,
Aluminum wouldn't do it.
Oh, okay. This is gonna be in the front, right?
That's the so the front one. That's
Oh,
cradle
the
the
front.
engine.
Mhm.
That cradle the engine and a little bit of transmission. That cradle the crossover.
I see.
Yep.
I think it rides pretty smooth. I don't know if you've ridden me on the freeway before. You haven't ridden me on the freeway before.
Oh, so you're gonna keep your existing Rubicon rock
Yeah,
slide?
it'll go right over it. Yeah.
You go right over it.
Yeah.
So I got to clip the front end by 1 inch so it lay flat.
So it goes in more,
yeah,
right?
because right now I got the little bracket.
Yeah.
And look at the profile.
Yeah, and the air hose is sticking out.
Oh yeah, well, I'll take that. I can take that out. Yeah, it's in the way.
What do you think of the profile already?
That's cool. That's cool. Yeah. If it sits flush like that,
It's
then
gonna
cool.
flush.
Okay, cool.
All right.
Yeah, sticks out far enough. No, this is his.
Okay.
This is gonna be over the front like oil pan and everything.
Oh, this is yours or not yours?
Yeah, this is
oh, it's
mine.
yours, right?
Yeah, it should be mine. I believe. Oh no, that's the That's the mid-size
Mid-side,
fabric case.
yeah.
That's over the oil pan.
I see.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah, more than any of your other customers, these will hit more than any of your customers.
I want you to hit it.
I'll tell you the truth right now. Yeah.
Yeah,
When Kevin-
we
So
serve a lot, you know?
so when Kevin come down, we're gonna do a whole video about the measurement all the way to installation and testing. Yeah.
Yeah, we should do. But I'll
will.
make a video about this one too. Nipo's finally getting his rock sliders
Yeah.
and belly armors.
Yeah, belly armor and that. We got everything ready for him.
Lee's gonna take out this undercarriage on.
The beat up undercarriage.
The beat up undercarriage from all the Badge of Honor trails that we did.
Yeah.
Cross members all beat up from all the trails we did, Neeps.
Yeah.
I saw a couple bolts missing too.
Yeah. Look at the tips, dude. They're just kind of boring.
Yeah. Oh man, those took
Oh yeah, look at
bunch of memories.
this. All these sounds like you're hearing from the video. Right?
Yeah. And what's great about the portal axis is it brings the differential like 6 inches up.
Oh man, this is guts, man.
So this is Ray, right, Ray? Ray, nice to meet you. Thank you for showing us around. So tell us about your shop, man.
Yeah, well, thanks for coming and supporting what we do. So Lee and I have NW2. We specialize in off-road protection for vehicles. We started off with a Toyota line, entire Toyota line. Now we're moving into the Broncos, the Jeeps, Xteras, and I would say about every couple months we have about 5 new products come in. And so we're under construction, our shop.
Yep.
We used to lay on gravel, installing rock sliders. We used to go inside with our backs red, almost bleeding. And we're building a 1,000 square foot shop.
Lee is helping you out though, right? Lee's helping you up?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay,
He
Lee.
was right there. He was right there. And so yeah, the shop's 1,000 square foot. We have the entire work area station over here. You know, welders, grinders, paint booth, everything. Bathroom over there. 1,000 square foot. Have a little lounge area probably over here. Little counter. And
So how many more weeks before this whole shop is complete? Like
let's give us a month.
a month?
Yeah,
Okay.
let's give us a month. But right now we got power and we're operational.
Cover off so we can put the engine skid
Oh, the
plate on
skid
this
plate on?
one. So you got to remove the arm,
Oh,
the
you're
upper
moving
arm.
yours?
So you got to take the cover, the heat shield.
Uh-huh.
So it's a little bit of an odd angle. Got to get small hands to get into this one.
And you have small hands?
I got small hands, yes. Make them small today, special. Oh man, it's good thing the engine cooled down. Otherwise, this thing will be piping
right now?
hot. Yeah. But yeah, it's just a little bit kind of, you know, you go by touch, can't see it.
Yeah.
Steps, you got to take this. You can put that front piece
Uh-huh.
because this angle in, and then you got to start front to back. So you can flow with the engine, then transmission, and transfer case. Just trying to get the joint lined up so we can put the engine cover.
Okay.
Yep. Put the three guys down, and then we'll put one spacer
So
plate.
it comes down a little further?
Come down a little bit further.
Okay, yeah, that'd be
So that way you.
that'd be good, because yeah, I don't want to get hung up on that.
Yep. Yeah, the spacer's
Oh, okay.
on, so it closed the gap a little bit. Because we got the stock tank, that kind of drag it down a little bit.
Uh-huh.
So this is the main part right here, the critical piece. That's where the transmission is and the exhaust pipe cover. All right.
Is that an 18 as well or 19?
I think this one's a 19.
We got 18s on here. Protects the oil pan here, transfer case, engine. We got rid of the cross members
yeah.
that I always got hung up on. Yeah. This is the first stage. Stage 2 will be full gas tank, right? First, stage 1 for now.
This stage 1 for now. Test it out, you bend it, we'll fix it.
Yep. We're gonna go bash it up. It's solid. It's solid stuff. Yeah.
That is solid, 5 mil thick.
Yeah. Awesome.
Right, let's get the slider on so you can get.
Yeah.
Hey Ray, so I have Nipo and Camilla and they're asking what's MPTG mean. So I told him it's like a handsome guys trail group. What are you gonna say about Camilla? She says she's gonna make fun of you now.
I will. That is hilarious. Okay, handsome guy trail group. Oh my god.
Mga pogi trail group.
I thought Ray it was Manny Pacquiao Trail Group.
Manny Pacquiao trail group.
You need more hands?
Yep, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Right here's good.
Installing Nipo's rock sliders.
Takes everybody. Huh?
Yep. Takes like 4 people.
Okay.
It's heavy. Ready for Rubicon.
Yeah.
I don't think we're emotional or ready for Rubicon.
We need to figure out a crew for Rubicon.
I know.
It can't just be anybody, you know?
Yeah.
Also, the least amount of camping. Is there any hotels on the way in the middle of the Rubicon
No,
trail?
yeah, we have to camp there, Camilla. We have to take the 4 days camping.
No, 4. He was telling me 3, and that was already iffy. 4.
We need to take our time. 3 is like we're rushing the trail.
Drop this a little bit so I can see that.
Yeah, hotel somewhere in the middle. Doesn't have to be 5 stars. I'll take like 3.5.
We'll take an Airbnb.
Damn,
I feel like that's okay.
Yeah, it's big, beefy. I need. Come on, the kids will be able to like step up on something now.
Yeah.
And Camilla too.
Yeah.
No, we can't use this car if like I'm wearing heels. We can't. That is very uncomfortable.
You're
Getting
not supposed to
in and
use this when you're wearing heels.
Move forward a little bit more for me.
out. It is very uncomfortable trying to get in. it's like, it's not as bad getting out, because all I'll do is like, I'll open.
How do people find you, man?
Facebook at NW2 Off-Road.
Okay.
Facebook right now. Then with the websites didn't work, it's gonna be NW2OFFROAD.com.
Sounds good, man.
Thanks, bro.
Thank you. Alright, we're gonna head out.
Bye, Camila.
They're gonna be here for a while. They're gonna... Last step is the sliders.
Yeah.
Right.
Sliders are next.
Man, see you guys.
Hey man.
See you.
Good
Next.
seeing you. Thanks for coming. Thanks for spending the day with us, man.
Huh?
Thanks for spending
No,
the day
no,
with
no,
us.
no. Yeah.
You know where we are now.
Yeah, no problem. Alright, we're going home now. That's it for this video. No trail today. Just having some fun hanging out with Camila, Nippo, Ray, and Lee. So yeah, find Lee at Facebook at NW2OFFROAD. Also on Instagram, and he also has a website. I'll have his link down below. So see you then, guys. Until the next one. Bye.